Get rid of odors with this one simple trick. Let's be real, there's nothing worse than walking into your own home and realizing it smells weird. Maybe it's the kitchen, the bathroom, the laundry basket, or just a general funk in the air. You've cleaned, sprayed, lit candles, but that stubborn odor always finds a way back. So what's the fix? Here's the good news. There's one simple trick that's affordable, natural, and ridiculously effective. And no, it's not another chemical air freshener. This is the real deal. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more eye-opening content, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Let's clean up the truth together. Smell keeps coming back. You might clean regularly, but odors are sneaky. They hide in soft fabrics, seep into carpets, cling to curtains, and settle into places you'd never expect, like trash bins, drains, and even behind appliances. The truth is, most of us try to mask odors with sprays and scented candles, but all those do is add perfume on top of the stink. If you want to eliminate bad smells, you've got to go to the source, and that's exactly what this trick does. The baking soda bomb, your secret weapon. Enter the baking soda bomb, a simple DIY deodorizer made with things you probably already have at home. It's not just a box of baking soda thrown in the fridge. It's a boosted, supercharged, scent neutralizing machine. Just mix baking soda with a few drops of your favorite essential oil, like lavender, eucalyptus, or lemon, and place it in an open jar or breathable container. That's it. Set it in a smelly room and let it work its magic. It's safe, effective, and leaves your space actually smelling clean, not artificially scented. Why it works, not magic, just science. Here's why this method works so well. Baking soda is a natural odor neutralizer. It reacts with acidic and basic odor molecules and breaks them down chemically. That means it doesn't cover up smells, it gets rid of them. The essential oils, they add a fresh, natural scent without any toxic chemicals. Oils like tea tree and eucalyptus even have antibacterial properties that can help clean the air and fight off the sources of bad smells. It's a powerful combo that keeps working day and night, passively cleaning your air. Where to use it for maximum impact? This trick isn't just for kitchens. It works anywhere. Put one in your bathroom to fight humidity and mildew smells. Drop one in your closet to freshen your clothes. Leave one near the trash bin, under the sink, beside your pet's bed, or even in your car. The more places you use it, the fresher your home will feel overall. It's like a quiet little air purifier, one that doesn't need batteries, plugs, or refills. Customize the vibe with scents that match you. One of the best parts? You can completely customize the vibe. Want a spa-like freshness? Try lavender and eucalyptus. Love zesty, energizing smells? Go with lemon or orange. Craving cozy, warm vibes? Use cinnamon, vanilla, and clove. You can even add dried herbs or flower petals to your mixture to make it visually beautiful too. Every room in your home can have its own unique scent story, and all of them can be odor-free. Boost the power with just a little heat. Here's a clever tip. Place your baking soda bomb near a warm spot, like a sunny windowsill or close to a heater. The warmth helps gently release the essential oils into the air, giving you a slow and natural scent diffusion that lasts for weeks. It turns your baking soda bomb into a mini room freshener with zero chemicals and zero effort. Mistakes to avoid for best results. If you've tried something like this before and it didn't work, chances are you made one of these small mistakes. You didn't use enough baking soda, you sealed the container too tightly, or you let it sit too long without refreshing it. Make sure your container allows air to circulate. Use a breathable fabric or poke holes in the lid. Use enough baking soda, at least half a cup, and refresh your mix every 3 to 4 weeks to keep it effective and fresh. Ditch chemical sprays forever. Let's be honest, most store-bought air fresheners are full of synthetic chemicals. They might smell nice at first, but they're often filled with phthalates, formaldehyde, and artificial fragrances that can trigger headaches, allergies, and even mess with your hormones. Why keep filling your home with toxic air when you can purify it naturally? The baking soda bomb is safe for your kids, your pets, and your lungs, and it actually works. Final thoughts. Fresh air the natural way. So there it is. One simple, low-cost trick that can completely transform your living space from kinda clean to fresh, fabulous, and truly inviting. No chemicals, no complicated tools, no overpriced sprays that only hide the problem. If you loved this little home hack and want more smart, natural, and budget-friendly tips to keep your space smelling amazing, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a fresh idea. Drop a comment below and let me know where you're putting your baking soda bomb first. Your kitchen, your bathroom, or your car. And hey, if you've got your own DIY tricks, I want to hear those too. Thanks for watching, And here's to living in a home that smells as good as it looks.